Okay, so this next exercise is it's called folding energy. And whenever there's a contact point around the wrist to the hand energy, the force is slightly across my center line, I want to let that force go and fold. So this drill is to touch the guard. He gives me a force just to this side of my center, and then I fold and I draw this hand out. Now in this position here, I'm facing and turning, so I would be turning my body to get my power into it. So if you're doing a Tai Chi type of style where it's big and circular, or doing the Wing Chun, you still need this torquing through your body to connect your mass. So as I touch the bridge, I fold and then come through onto the side of the neck, the throat, and so forth. Now, while I'm folding, I want to be letting him, I don't want to be resisting him. I want to let him continue to move forward so he isn't fighting with my force in that position before I release. When I release the hand, my elbow touches his base and touches down, and I've got a pinning energy with my elbow, so now I can come through and strike after the fold. So this is pinning down. I've got a certain amount of pinning control there. And I can move to the side during the turn so that I can get more torque into the hit, or I can continue just to move forward through the fold. So this folding exercise, you can do it on several different angles. Your partner can push down and you fold into a back fist. If your partner pushes straight this way, you end up on very much of a knife hand. If it's across on this line, then you're somewhere between a back fist, knife hand, backhand type of strike on the diagonal. And then you can creatively look at all the different angles your partner can touch, so you can fold at different angles from there. Okay, thanks for your time. See you in the next video.